Well, now to our cover story and the man accused in the shooting death of Walt Lay at a Tampa Bay dog park. He had a court hearing today. I-Team investigator Adam Walser, who broke this story last month, has the latest from inside the courtroom.
Gerald Declan Radford, who's charged with second-degree murder in connection with the shooting death of Walt Lay at a Tampa dog park last month, was scheduled to have his bond hearing here in Hillsborough County Circuit Court earlier this morning. But the state attorney's office asked for a continuance due to the fact that a key witness was not available. Wearing a jail uniform, a stooped-over, shackled Gerald Declan Radford shuffled into a video hearing room, hoping a judge would grant him bond. But there was a problem.
The state would move for a continuance based on the unavailability of a witness this morning.
And, Your Honor, I am objecting to that on behalf of Mr. Radford. We're requesting that the hearing go forward.
The judge granted the state's request, continuing the hearing. But the I-Team obtained a new document filed by prosecutors before the hearing was canceled, providing more insight into the case. The document said Radford, who has a medical marijuana card, admitted he consumed one hit of weed prior to the incident. He also referred to an encounter with the I-Team days after the shooting, telling detectives, quote, he was recently approached by news media who informed him that someone at the dog park stated that the defendant hated the victim because the victim was gay. Here's that exchange. Some of the other people in the park are accusing you of being upset at Walt because he was gay. Is there any truth to that at all? Multiple witnesses reported hearing Radford use anti-gay slurs. Did you hear him yelling at Walt?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. What did he say?
Here comes the
And he said this in front of the whole group of
in
folks
front of
here.
the whole group. Yep.
According to the court document, he admitted to calling the victim a derogatory name a couple of times, but stated he congratulated the victim when he came out about being gay and told him he shouldn't have to live in the dark about it. Radford sent a text after the shooting showing injuries to his face, which said, Walt attacked me and I had to defend myself. According to the document, Radford claimed Lay hit him in the face with whatever he had in his hands. Radford said he fell over and shot Lay in the stomach. Lay's sister, Sabrina Hughes, who lives in North Carolina, says she never believed Radford's account.
Anyone who knew my brother knows that he is not aggressive anyway. Growing up, I had to fight for him.
She says her family was relieved Radford was arrested, but it doesn't bring her brother back.
It's heartbreaking to us to know that that was how his life ended and that he was alone in those last few moments without family or friends.
Hughes says her brother also shared he was worried.
He had told my mother and I that he was being harassed and that he was changing dog parks.
But she says she's focusing on the happy times. She received this message days before he died.
We're having a wonderful Sunday. We hope you are too. And so we love you very much. Bye.
At the request of his attorney, Radford will appear in person when the bond hearing is continued next Monday morning. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser taking action for you.